Nation.
This is Noelle.
And this is Joelle, and we are the
OLs.
Okay, so, wait, what was I gonna do? So, we didn't really know what to do for this episode.
Found a sack. You see, it's a secret sack, and she doesn't know what's inside of it.
Sack of wonders.
And I'm just gonna pull stuff out, okay?
Cocoa roast almonds.
We went on an adventure into the woods. So, she left those at my house, and I didn't really want her cocoa nuts, so.
Nobody wants my cocoa nuts.
She has nasty cocoa nuts. Okay, let's see what else is in the sack.
Oh my gosh.
That's Fred.
What is this? How did all this fuzz get on it?
That's alpaca fur.
It's pretty weird, guys.
It's only got one eye.
It's pretty soft. I mean,
okay. Third up.
what the heck?
We have an unidentified object making unidentified noises.
It sounds like aliens.
Pokemon cards. I'm an adult now.
Whoa.
I think he just uses mind powers to zap you.
Ew.
And
There you go.
drowsy. Let out drowsy. I'm gonna go ahead and make him try and kill you.
Do I look at it?
Yeah, you can just put something to attack. Wait, I don't know if you can.
Why not?
No.
It's. I don't know.
Maybe we should just do that. Should we just make the sounds?
Whatever we think they are. Do you guys hear that? It's like beeping.
Because it's like,
Pika, pika, pika. Right.
Right.
Rye bread.
next up in our sack.
Is it chocolate?
No, it's grape. Wanna nibble?
It's grape.
Wanna nibble?
I don't know if it's good or bad.
Nibble my mustache.
It's so chewy.
It's wax. So you're just supposed to like.
Why is it grape?
I think it's hairy. The ferret got to it at Christmas.
How old is that mustache?
I've had it since the day I was born.
I'm gonna make a creation. Ew. Clear spheres.
You put them in water.
Caution. Eye irritant.
Put them in your eyes.
Do not place in the mouth.
Put them in your mouth. Eat this. This is the last thing in the sack.
Spicy.
It's been in my drawer for like since the last round of graduations. Oh, there's a feather.
I don't know what this tastes like, but the taste is like giving me a memory. I don't know what it is.
You are my memories.
I think this means time is up.
Me too. You should definitely subscribe. We're still very new.
Yes, we are, but we'd love to have some new followers, subscribers, some likers, some new friends.
So always there with us through that sackage journey. But for today, I think this brings our video to the end. So
Indeed. So
thanks for watching.
All right, bye.
Bye.
OL Nation.
And I hear it and it says, and it says again,